everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to make our profile picture private. Now let's say not your profile picture, our profile itself private. Sometimes you might be wondering, how can you make your profile private? If you've been wondering that, though, this video is for you, then this video is definitely for you. So let's get started on how to do that. First thing to do is that from the home menu here of your Pinterest account, you click on the profile picture at the top right corner, then click on view profile, then click on edit profile, and then by the left here you see the menu here, click on profile visibility. You can see private profile, then click on, then turn it on. It's as simple as that. So when your profile is private, only the people you approve of can see your profiles, your pins, your boards, followers, and the following list. It's as simple as that. So that is how to make your profile private on Pinterest. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.